Cline AI versus Cursor AI. In this video, we're diving into a hot developer debate, Cline AI versus Cursor AI, two AI-powered coding assistants that are changing how we write software. Which one is better? Let's find out. And I'm keeping it honest, so make sure you watch to the very end to see which one suits you best. But first, a brief intro. Cline AI and Cursor AI both aim to supercharge your development workflow. They're basically like GitHub Copilot, but with more attitude. Cursor AI is a full-on VS code fork with baked-in AI. Think autocomplete, refactoring, debugging, all with conversational support. Cline AI, on the other hand, is more lightweight. It integrates into your existing editor and acts as a smart sidekick rather than take over. Let's talk and compare their features. Autocompletion versus autocomplete is slick and context-aware. Cline is fast, but sometimes misses the mark. Cline is fast, but sometimes misses nuance in large code bases. Chat with code. Cursor lets you ask things like, what does this function do? And it replies like a pro. Cline has similar capabilities, but the responses can feel more generic. Refactoring and fixes. Cursor wins here. Inline refactoring is smooth, and its bug fixes are scarily good. Cline tries, but you still need to guide it more. Speed versus performance. Cline is faster and lighter. Cursor, being a whole IDE, can feel heavy, especially on older machines. When it comes to pricing, both offer free trials, but Cursor tends to be a bit pricier. Worth it? Depends on your needs. Cursor is ideal for full-time devs or teams who live inside VS Code. Cline is better for those who want something quick, clean, and minimal inside their existing setup. So, which one is better? If you want raw power and don't mind the heavier setup, go with Cursor AI. If you prefer speed, simplicity, and just need a smart autocomplete buddy, Cline AI is your friend. Honestly, I've got both installed, and I switch depending on what I'm doing. And that is an honest review of Cline AI versus Cursor AI. No BS. Let me know in the comments, which one are you using? Catch you next time.